Hey YouTube world, it's Justin. I got a 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan. Last night on the way home from Disney, or when we was leaving, got in the van, started it up. Rear air conditioning worked. Front AC did not work. Well, the blower. Everything's working. I went ahead and went a step forward, cleaned the glove box out, went and got the part. So, all I gotta do, I went and got my tools ready, just a few little minimum tools. And I'm gonna change this thing out. Let's see if it works. That's the part I'm after. I'll come back in a minute. Okay, I already removed one of the screws. Left one in just to show you. Both screws, it's a 5/16. Like I said, this is what I'm using. 5/16. Finish removed one screw. Screw out very little. 2 screws. All right, let's pull this bad boy out. This is what we pulled out. This is what the old one looks like. Heard these go out quite a bit on these vans, by what it looked like on other YouTube posts. I ain't gonna sit here and play around with this. Here's the new one from AutoZone. Part number. Looks totally different. One reason I'm not too worried about it looking different. I already seen one on YouTube from somebody else, just to kind of figuring out what to do. Here's the new one. That's what the new one looks like. And it only goes in one way. See the little lip right there? Same way right there. Little lip right there. Holds it. I will come back with you after I get this put in. New one's in. Let's wire it up. Let me find my big wire plug. I know it's in here somewhere. Because I just moved everything out of the way and ran. There it is. Get out of there. Now. Push till it clicks. Same way with this little one. Push until it clicks. Now, find my keys. Put the keys in. And hope for the best. All I hear it. Simple, easy fix. Yes. Thank you, YouTube.